Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Aufzug, elevator. If you're going to visit someone, or if you're looking for an apartment in a skyscraper, it's useful to know how to ask where to find the elevator. Unless, of course, you want to walk to the 15th floor. This is our topic for today, der Aufzug, which is how you say elevator in German. Der Aufzug, der Aufzug, der Aufzug, der Aufzug. Der Aufzug is a masculine noun, whose plural form is die Aufzüge. Yes, this is one of those nouns that gets an umlaut in its plural form. As we already mentioned, it means elevator. Let's see some examples with this word, shall we? Wo befindet sich der Aufzug? Where is the elevator? Benutzen Sie lieber mehr die Treppen, anstatt mit dem Aufzug zu fahren? Use the stairs more often instead of taking the elevator. Sie können dann die Treppen nehmen oder mit dem Aufzug in den 4. Stock fahren. You can either walk up the stairs or take the elevator up to the 4th floor. Im Brandfall darf man den Aufzug nicht benutzen. It is not allowed to use the elevator in the case of fire. Ich habe Angst davor, im Aufzug stecken zu bleiben. I'm afraid of getting stuck in the elevator. Besides der Aufzug, for the elevator you can also sometimes hear the words der Lift or even after der Fahrstuhl, literally meaning the driving chair. Today we learned about the masculine noun der Aufzug, meaning elevator. The plural form of this noun is die Aufzüge. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!